Hey everyone, welcome back to Ginger Me Glam. This is another episode starring the toys. Now, I went to the Toy Insiders Sweet Suite at Home, which was a lot of fun virtually. And in this conference, you got to see different toys that were coming up for whether that's back to school or the holiday season. This episode is sponsored by Kidz TV and Blip Toys. They gave me these two fabulous toys to review, and I want you to check them out. Let's go ahead and have some fun. Woohoo! This is the Mystery Ninja Squish Ball. All right, so we're gonna open it up. Who's inside? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, it's Squishy. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, so who is it? All right. I'm gonna assume this is Brighton, right? Let's see. That is so cool. Whee! And the squish ball is very squishy. Ah! Squish! This is so much fun. I could see my son hours for hours squishing it. Like, look at the eyeball! Oh, that's so much fun. Okay, so as you can see, there's the different possibilities. I really want to get the eyeball monster next time. That's so much fun. But they're all so cool and squishy. Very fun. All right, everyone, what do you think? Look, That's how I feel with these. I'm like, Okay, you can tell I'm getting a little bit of my mommy attention out here with this little squish ball. This is a great little stress reliever, but it's also fun. You know, I mean, come on, how can you not enjoy squishing the squish ball? The squish ball, the squish ball. These were so fun, squishing. Now that you know the possibilities, let's go ahead and take a look at the... Ooh, what is this? The Mystery Mini Ninja Ball as seen on YouTube. So the Kidz TV channel, they have these on there. This is so cute. Have your own toy for your channel? What? That's awesome. Congrats. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. The Kidz TV Mystery Mini Ninja Ball. Woo! Okay, so it's one set and it looks like it's for ninjas that are over 3+, and there are 2 ninja surprises inside. So you get 2 of 24 figures possible, 1 of 12 missions. Collect them all. All right. I wonder what's inside. So it looks like pops off. Oh, cool. Okay. So we've got one package. Ooh. Looks like we have our mission. And then we have another figure. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. So inside of our Kidz Mystery Mini Ninja Ball, this is what you get inside. So you have the list of all 24 characters that could be in here, which is super fun. So you can check which ones that you're gonna get and which ones you want to collect as well. And then you have the mystery. What's inside? Okay, let's open it up because I am dying to know what is in here. Okay, so I take the corner, open it up. Oh, cool. Who's that? So it looks like, oh, wow. Okay. Who are you? So this one, what we see here. This is Dark Howl. All right. Oh. All right, so we've got our one character here. Let's see what else we have. Oh, fun. Okay. We have one of the Ninja Kids here. All right, and which one is it? Looks like we have some tools in here, right? Yep. The Ninja tools right here. Okay. Gonna make sure you get all of the little toys out there. Perfect. So this is Ashton from the Ninja Squad. All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo, boom, 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 boom. I can see my son playing with this. Oh, this is so much fun. Let's see, these are the characters that came inside. What else are we gonna collect? Didn't they say there was a mission? All right, let's check it out. What is in here? Oh, fun. All right, so we've got Mission 4. Defeat Master Shogun at Monk Temple. All right, and it looks like we also need to look for the ninja weapons, missions, and more. So we have to collect some more, but these are a great start. Gives us something to build off of and look forward to. Now, I love these toys. They were a lot of fun unboxing and getting to know the villains and the Ninja Squad and the other collectible items to get in the Ninja Kids Mystery Mini Ninja Ball. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Now I want to go ahead and tell you what to expect, whether that's going to Walmart or Target. So for the mini squish ball, so much fun. Those are $3.98. And then you have these fun little mystery characters from the mini mystery ninja ball from Ninja Kidz TV. This starts at $9.98, right, where you get the two together. Now, did you know you could also get the Ninja Kidz TV giant mystery ninja ball? Ooh, it's $39.98, and that comes with 25 plus surprises inside. So it sounds like I need to start collecting, because as soon as the little one sees this, we're gonna have to collect them all. Now, if you loved watching me unbox it and get excited with you and seeing like what we could get for our own kids, whether that's for back to school or for a holiday season, subscribe to the channel, especially my glam mamas out there and everyone else that's watching. And give this video a thumbs up, because you know it was rad and it was so much fun unboxing. And leave some love in the comments on what you're so excited about, what Ninja Kidz TV collectibles that you have. Thank you so much to Ninja Kidz TV and Blip Toys, the Toy Insider, Sweet Sweet at Home, and everyone else that's watching. I had so much fun, and I hope you watch again. Bye, until next time.